integrating the Nuki Ultra into your current smart home system. We provide compatibility with various smart home systems, including Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. We support the latest smart home connectivity standard Matter, local integrations using MQTT, and established web integrations. Furthermore, Nuki provides open interfaces for custom integration scenarios. The latest 2 generations of Nuki smart locks support Meta via Thread, a communication standard designed to unify smart home ecosystems. Meta via Thread provides faster, energy-efficient, and more stable smart home performance. Furthermore, you can also use Nuki Web to integrate your Nuki device into your smart home. To activate Nuki Web, you need remote access, which is included by default with your Nuki Ultra and is established either via Wi-Fi or Meta via Thread. The smart lock can also be integrated using MQTT, supporting popular hubs like Home Assistant and HomeBridge. Furthermore, we provide open interfaces for custom integration scenarios serving specific user needs. Simply visit developer.nuki.io for further information.